Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you struggling to decide between Paychex and OnPay for your payroll needs? Well, you're in the right place. In the next 2 minutes, I'll break down the key differences so you can choose the best option for your business. First up, let's talk about Paychex. This is a big player in the payroll game, offering robust features for businesses of all sizes. With Paychex, you get payroll processing, tax filing, and even HR tools all in one platform. It's a great fit if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. Plus, Paychex offers dedicated customer support, which can be a lifesaver during tax season. However, that level of service comes with a price. Paychex plans start at around $39 per month, plus $5 per employee, and costs can add up quickly as your team grows. It's ideal for medium to large businesses, but might be overkill if you're just starting out. Now, let's talk about OnPay. This service is tailor-made for small businesses and startups. OnPay offers a simpler approach to payroll with all the essentials like payroll processing, direct deposit, and tax filings. But at a flat rate, pricing is $40 per month, plus $6 per employee. No hidden fees, and you still get top-notch customer support. The downside, OnPay is less feature-rich compared to Paychex. It's focused on payroll and basic HR functions. So if you need more advanced HR tools or integrations, it might not be the best fit. So which one is right for you? If you're running a small business and want an affordable, no-frills payroll service, OnPay is a great choice. But if you need a more comprehensive platform with advanced HR and benefits management, Paychex is worth the investment. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.